Hey there, my name is Adam Allure, and today I'm going to show you how to plot a route manually in Wavve Boating. So maybe the auto routing has had some troubles with your origin or your destination, or maybe you're just old school and like to plan things out manually. I totally understand and appreciate that. So first, you just want to hit the quick navigation button. That's the bottom right dark blue button, and you will see manual route in that list. And you will now be brought to the manual routing menu and functionality. And just start, all you need to do is hit the plus, and that's going to set my first origin. And then, for example, I can just catch on to this channel and start plotting out my route. So away we go down the channel way. Just pinch and zoom as you need. Add the plus. If you make a mistake, just hit the little undo icon there. Now I'll pull back on that particular one. So I'm just going along here, for example. Great. Okay, say this is, I wanted to get to Rock Island here. I'm going to hit my destination. Now, if you hit the route overview, you just get a kind of a quick view of what you've just plotted. Hey, is that kind of right, or do I need to make any adjustments? If you hit resume editing, you'll be brought back to where you were. And a key thing here is you'll see on all the waypoints you've added, those little arrow icons. That just means you can adjust these. So I can grab this guy. Hey, it was a little bit off. I want to go this way. Well, I want to dodge that shallow water there. Okay, so there, just set that, and away we go. So just grab them, and they'll adjust for you. That's it. Now, I'm just going to hit save. I'm happy with this route. Route is now saved. You'll get that confirmation. At this point, you can add in any additional details if you want. So change the name of it here. I'm just going to call it route A, return. That's now added. I can change the average speed that I think I'll be going to get an updated estimated time. I can change the fuel economy of my particular vessel so I can see what the estimated fuel is, and I can also add some notes. And that's it. So now if you're ready to go, it's Saturday, you want to get on the waterway, you can just hit start and it'll load right into your map. Or alternatively, I'm just going to close out of that. So end this route. It's not Saturday yet, or it's just becoming Saturday, and I want to now load this to my map. I've already saved it. I will find that route by hitting the routes menu, and it's just listed right up there. Route A, I made this today. I can see the summary that we just went through, and I can decide to load that to my map by hitting start. That's it. If there's any questions, please reach out to our team at community@wavveboating.com. We are here to help you out. Have a wonderful day.